Size is often a misunderstood metric when it comes to determining how big or small an animal is. For example, Takani and Stark are around the same height, but Stark is larger. This is because she is heavier. The determining factor there is weight. Weight determines the overall mass of an animal. This is also why elephants are considered the largest land animal alive today, and giraffes aren't, even though they're a lot taller. It's really funny to see the misunderstood sizes of animals that the general public has. For example, gorillas are often depicted as these hulking behemoths that are larger than crocodiles, which is kind of silly when you consider the fact that male gorillas go anywhere between 136 kilos to 227, and average male Nile crocodiles weigh around 400 to 500 kilograms, but can weigh over 1,000. But I want to use my favorite animal, the grey wolf, as an example of how sizes can get confused because of how much they vary over their distribution. The average grey wolf can be anything between 19 kilos and 80. The smallest being the Arabian and Indian wolves, and the largest being the Eurasian and the North American wolf. Apparently the largest wolf on record was 103 kilos. To put that in perspective, I'm around 100 kilos, 220 pounds. This larger size estimate makes them larger than some tigers. Female Sumatran tigers can be as small as 75 kilos. And some female black bears can be around 41 kilograms, and some males 60. So yes, there are wolves out there larger than tigers and bears. This makes them seem absolutely massive, right? Well, remember, that is a very skewed perspective. The average Eurasian grey wolf weighs around 40 kilos, and the average northwestern wolf in America weighs around 50. The average bears in these areas vastly outweigh them by hundreds of kilograms. Here's me leg pressing 500 kilos.
That's about the weight of a large brown bear.
It works with a lot of animals. The largest coyote, which is around 21 kilos, is still smaller than every American species of grey wolf, but is larger than the Arabian wolf. All these size differences depend on ecological and environmental factors, food availability, and competition with other species. It is really interesting to just put this in perspective, and is one of the main reasons I made this video. The other, because I wanted to show off my leg press.